And first up, we've got breaking news coming in. The NIA has now arrested a Jaish terrorist, Irshad Ahmed Reshi, who is one of the plotters of the 2018 Lethpora attack on a CRPF convoy. Irshad was the one who provided the logistic support to the terrorists for the attack. This is the fifth arrest that's taken place in the case. The plotter behind the 2018 attack in Lethpora has been taken into custody. Kamaljeet is joining us with more details on this. Kamaljeet, another breakthrough as far as the investigation into the 2018 attack on a CRPF convoy is concerned. What are the details we know about the fifth arrest?
First, let me clarify, this is not the convoy attack. This is the Lethpora Group Center attack in 2016-17. On 31st December of 2016, that is when the attack took place. It went beyond 1st and 2nd of January. So this became as the Lethpora Group Center attack of the CRPF. Three Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists had barged in, one including Fardeen Ahmed Khande, who was also a son of a Jammu Kashmir police constable. Now, the conspiracy was really unraveled with the first arrest taking place sometime in 2018. There were a number of arrests which followed that. Important one was Nisar Ahmed Tantre, who's also the brother of Noor Ahmed Trali, or the Noor Ahmed Tantre as he's better known as. So in that sense, there has been unraveling bit by bit. There was also controversy in the Lethpora case when Rizwan, one of the school principal, was picked up. There were allegations that he had some sort of link. It could not be proven. There was a custodial death in number of years. This was the first one. It created another sort of controversy. But a shot in the arm for the NIA as they managed to have a fifth arrest in place. This obviously puts together not just the conspiracy but how it links to Pakistan as well. The entire plan was obviously about Mansoor Ahmed Baba as well as Fardeen Ahmed Khande and one Pakistani terrorist who had actually managed to break open the cordon and managed to reach inside Lethpora. There were 8 casualties of the CRPF at that point of time, a huge number by its own. But significantly, it was an important attack in that particular year, and the revelation itself is very important. A shot in the arm for security forces, particularly for the CRPF and the NIA.
All right, Kamaljeet, thanks for joining us with those details. This is a Jaish terror attack, as Kamaljeet was also giving us the details. The fifth plotter has now been arrested by the NIA. Huge progress that we're seeing in that investigation.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.